Natural phenomena: wind, rain, and light. Wind. Moving air is called wind. It has two important characteristics: direction and speed. Wind vane. The instrument used to find out the direction from which the wind is blowing is called wind vane. The speed of the wind is usually measured with an instrument called an anemometer. There are two types of anemometer: cup anemometer and propeller anemometer. Storm. Powerful winds are called storms. They are caused when warm and light air rises quickly into the higher altitude. Flood. A flood is a condition in which vast areas of normally dry land are covered by water. Heavy rainfall or snowmelt are the major causes of sudden increase in the volume of water in rivers and lakes. Reflection of light. Light rays bounce back when they hit a hard surface. This bouncing back of light after hitting a surface is known as reflection. Regular reflection. When light falls on a smooth or polished surface, it reflects the light in a well-defined manner. This is called regular reflection. Diffuse reflection. When the light rays falls on a rough surface, they get reflected in different directions. This is called diffused or irregular reflection. Images. A real image can be projected on the screen, but the virtual image cannot be projected on it. Lateral inversion. The left side appears on right and right side appears on the left in the mirror. This is called lateral inversion. Lenses. A lens is a curved piece of glass or any other transparent material. So the glasses in spectacles, magnifying glasses, cameras, etc. are examples of lenses. Spectrum. When the white light passes through the prism, it splits up into its constituent colors. The band of 7 colors that we get on the screen is known as the visible spectrum.